Good morning to you all. I'm Jyotsna Chikarsal. I'm the CEO of Inspire World. We at Inspire World enable you to rehab your wardrobe, to rehab your world with healthy clothing. We are seeking $2 million of funding from an individual investor or an institution. Inspire World designs, manufactures and markets via e-commerce distinctively smart and vibrant fashion for women professionals through its range of healthy and eco-friendly clothing. Women's wear in domestic apparel retail market in India is expected to grow from $14 billion in 2011 to $50 billion in 2020, becoming the largest segment with branded to unbranded ratio as 2:3. For half a century, your skin and chemicals from synthetic fabrics have been interacting, creating health problems like infertility, respiratory diseases, dermatitis, and cancer. This all happened with the advent of nylon in 1939, acrylic in 1950, and polyester in 1953. We at Inspire World never let any synthetics touch you and may drape you in organic fabric where it's needed. And it's all economical and affordable, available at your doorstep, designed under the able guidance of the formal WHO advisor on health information. The book Killers Clothes reveals many ways that synthetic fabric and chemicals added to them create health problems, backing it up with scientific evidence. Women in acrylic textile factories have 7 times the risk of breast cancer than normal population. A Canadian study says that. The problem is twofold. Petrochemical fibers suffocate skin that keeps you healthy by venting toxins a pound per day. Secondly, toxins absorb through skin from the synthetic fabric and bypass your liver, the organ responsible for removing toxin. So the total toxic burden increases. That triggers a tipping point for the onset of a disease. We have a solution for you. The clothes we allow to touch our skin should be as natural and safe as it can be. One of the shocking facts is that the rise in health problems go hand in hand with the switch from natural to synthetic clothing. Can it be merely a coincidence that according to the WHO, the industrialized world have experienced a rise in health problems? 1/3 married couple experience infertility. Respiratory disease up to 160% among preschoolers in Europe and North America. Contact dermatitis and other skin ailments have become widespread. Cancer risk has increased to 1 in 2 males and 1 in 3 females. 1 in 8 women develop breast cancer. From menopausal stage, the rate escalated by 22% over past 3 decades. Our industry is Indian fashion retail market with the focus on garments and apparels. The entire Indian textile and apparel market is at 108 billion, growing at a healthy rate. Inspire World is in the domestic apparel market segment, which is a 50 billion. So as you see here, the domestic apparel market has shown a CAGR of 13% and it's expected to reach $124 billion by 2020. Google says by 2020, 100 billion would be the online retail revenue in India, out of which 35 billion will be fashion e-commerce. Online apparel sales are set to grow 4 times in coming years. So all these changes in technology are really impactful. Increasing access to internet has influenced consumers' patterns substantially. Consumers today have great access to fashion products. They can compare products before purchase decision making. At a broad level today, the buying applications of IT will have a different dimension: process and people management, customer relationship management, human resource management, and many more. All this technology will also help consumer to recognize that natural fibers are more sustainable than synthetic, require high energy and crude oil as you see here. They are biodegradable and allow skin to breathe to release toxins. Our competitive advantage is the principle of harmony, harmony of thought, harmony of purpose, and harmony in humility. Our team has a strong experience. Myself, the founder CEO, worked 18 years with WHO in progressive leadership roles. Partnerships are already in place with reputed weavers of natural fabrics, got certified companies for organic fabrics, as-a-free dyeing mills, eco-friendly washers mills, lasers and digital printing units, high fashion designing and sewing facilities. Contracts are under signing with online B2C and B2B portals for marketing. Partnerships being explored with media and marketing influencers to promote usefulness of healthy clothing, and corporates and universities to hold exhibitions. Our company name is a competitive advantage too, not attached to any particular group of consumers, allows entry into different segments. 1% net income goes to transforming lives of less fortunate. By purchasing our apparels, consumers make a conscientious decision to become an integral member of a community dedicated to the greater good of humanity. Although healthy clothing is a relatively new concept, some products offered by our competitors challenge us. Due to the globalizations, Indians are attracted to ready-made Western dresses, particularly the multinational brands. Our biggest competitor among the international brands is H&M. Their move towards the organic material would achieve healthy clothing as a consequence of their sustainability vision. Our competitive edge is that we make garments for middle-aged, and choice of colors is to suit Indian culture. Our second competitor is the local brands established since long in India. We provide youthful styles for middle-aged in plus size also. Usually plus size brands provide different styles as compared to S to XL. We extend our S to XL range to 3XL, giving us a competitive edge over some of these local brands. And our third competitor is the high fashion boutiques by designers, and we have a competitive edge over them as well. We offer 1/3 reduced pricing, immediately available products, and wide range of sizes to choose from, which is S to XXL. I'm sharing with you our customer feedback here. The top 10 factors in deciding where to shop guide the weighted competitive assessment table you see here. Inspire World is at 4.0, international brands are at 3.05, local brands at 4.45, and boutiques at 2.4 out of 5. There are 4 marketing vehicles we shall use. The first one is online e-commerce portals. While our demographic is broad in terms of age, they are all working professionals. Therefore, online marketing would be very effective with them. The second one is social media, which has various variations such as growth hacking. You may be invited to join a service like Dropbox or being tagged or linked to a new user such as Facebook. Connecting social media campaign with offline activation gives a great strategy for marketing. We would hold exhibitions and viral on social media to spread our message. Emails linked to social media is also important. Direct email advertising campaign gives great direct response on timely basis. Email linked to social media is also an important marketing strategy. Direct email advertising campaign gives great direct response timely. The third vehicle is marketing influencers. They are individual bloggers or communities as well as press. Environmental groups in particular have vested interest in promoting healthy clothing. And we would also use traditional advertising as a fourth vehicle. Magazines, newsletters, direct email, cable television, trade shows and fairs and exhibitions. On the sales front, we will start with e-commerce portal immediately, and then in the next quarter we would go for trade shows and exhibitions. This will be followed by through distributors or direct marketing to access departmental stores and boutiques, and finally we will look at the most expensive venture of opening our own stores or taking shelf space in various big apparel stores. As you see from our financial summary table, our projection is that we are profiting from the later half of year 1 with about $100,000 profit. Year 2 and 3 we would sustain at around $200,000 profits. So if the expansion is successful, then in year 4 we would make nearly $600,000 profit, which would be sustained in year 5 with an increase to about $730,000 profit. These figures are before the payment of income tax. So to get there, what do we need? We need investment in 2 series. Now at the startup we need about $400,000, out of which I have already put in $100,000. Beginning of the 4th year, we would need another $1.6 million for our grand expansion. It's important to know the assumptions we made for coming up with these numbers. The average price of a garment we have taken is $50, which consists of 20% cost, 20% overheads, 40% sales commission, and 20% is our profit. The 20% overhead includes the shipping, VAT, salaries and general administration expenses. An average discount of 20% would reduce our net profit to $4. So we are going with an average discount of 20%. The cost has half amount for the material, which is $5, and the other half for fabrication. Average credit term with the fabricators is 45 days. The retailers and e-commerce portals also take 45 days of credit term from us. The distribution channels would be paid 10 to 25% commission depending on the slabs they achieve, and this is included in the overheads cost. The inventory in hand is vigilantly kept small, sufficient to provide our monthly sales requirements to avoid loss due to outdated designs. So here are our greater expansion plans for next 5 years. April to June I'll cover in my following slide. Now July to September we'll be recruiting our senior management team and we'll go live on 5 e-commerce portals with 100 styles. October to December we'll start holding exhibition and partner with corporates and universities. Jan to March it'll be marketing to boutiques. So the next year, that is 2017, we'll sustain our 300 style catalog, improve processes and systems, and rent a loom to reduce fabric prices. In 2018, we'll do a midterm evaluation, and we will decide on go or no go further. And in case we go further, we'll be marketing for expansion. In 2019, we'll expand to menswear segment, sign contracts with 2 departmental stores, and open our own store. Then in 2020, we'll add another big store to our contracts and then sustain. So our team of vice presidents is being recruited: VP Business Development and Strategic Alliance, VP Operations and CFO, VP Production Management. They will be our big strength. My brief CV is displayed here for your reference. We launched Inspire World in April 2016 with CEO capital of $100,000. In January 2016, registration of brand name and logo under Indian Trademark Act was done. January 2016, the company Inspire World Designer was registered with the Department of Trade and Taxes, and in March 2016, we registered with the Income Tax Department. Our operational status is that a capex of $30,000 has been spent on procurement of raw material. Operational status is that $50,000 has been spent on procurement of raw material, 150 aprons designed and samples finalized, and production of 100 designs completed. A core team of 5 staff members has been recruited, and discussions are underway with e-commerce portals to sign the contracts. Photo shoots are being done to develop the catalog. Together we build healthier future for all, sustainable from generation to generations. We bring fashion to you. We produce apparels that would make people's head turn to admire you when you wear our apparels. And it's all economical and affordable, available at your doorstep. Our products are health conscious. We have enough evidence to infer that natural fabric clothing is healthier than synthetic fabric. We have a social and environmental cause. Additional value comes as the health of manufacturing laborers, while also promoting environmental conservation by reducing energy use, eliminating crude oil requirements, and reducing greenhouse gases, and we save water. Our CSR efforts are 1% net income goes to transform lives of less fortunate. So I've come to the end of my presentation now. Thank you so much for attending my presentation. I would be happy to address any queries or any concerns you have, and let us know how we move forward to pursue the funding request, and we can fix up our next meeting. Whatever is convenient to you will be available. Thank you so much.